Welcome to the kitchen revolution, food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with a game changer that's about to transform your breakfast game. Say hello to the Holstein Housewares non-stick omelet frittata maker, your ticket to hassle-free, delicious mornings. In this video, we'll exploring the wonders of the stainless steel wonder that's designed to whip up 2 individual portions of omelets or frittatas in a flash. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a breakfast novice, this sleek and efficient appliance promises to make your mornings easier, tastier, and a whole lot more exciting. If you've ever wished for a stress-free breakfast experience without compromising on flavor, this is the video for you. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of this 2-section, Black Beauty, because breakfast should be the easiest, and most delicious, part of your day. Let's dive into the world of culinary simplicity with the Holstein Housewares non-stick omelet frittata maker. If you've ever wished for a stress-free breakfast experience without compromising on flavor, this is the video for you. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of this 2-section, Black Beauty, because breakfast should be the easiest, and most delicious, part of your day. Let's dive into the world of culinary simplicity with the Holstein Housewares non-stick omelet frittata maker. Explore a world of culinary possibilities with the Holstein Housewares non-stick omelet frittata maker. Many delicious choices, indulge your taste buds with this versatile kitchen companion that goes beyond just omelets. Craft fluffy frittatas, savory pizza pockets, sweet apple turnovers, and so much more. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create 2 customized individual portions at a time and cater to everyone's breakfast, lunch, or dinner cravings. Quick, easy, simplify your cooking routine with non-stick coated cooking surfaces that make both cooking and cleaning a breeze. No more flipping mishaps or messy fry pans, just insert your ingredients, close the lid, and go. The preheated ready-to-cook indicator light ensures you start cooking at the optimal temperature, delivering reliable and delicious results every time. Great addition to your kitchen, maximize your kitchen efficiency with the space-saving compact design that takes up minimal countertop space. The sleek, colorful, and stainless steel finish adds a touch of modern flair to your kitchen decor, making it a stylish and functional addition to your culinary arsenal. Who we are, at Holstein Housewares, we're on a mission to make cooking and entertaining a breeze by simplifying life in the kitchen. Our range of products, including this fantastic omelet frittata maker, is designed to empower you to create endless recipes for all types of lifestyles, from healthy meals to guilty pleasures. Warranty, purchase with confidence. Holstein Housewares offers a 1-year limited warranty, allowing you to enjoy your cooking adventures worry-free. Your package includes a user manual for easy reference, ensuring you get the most out of this incredible. And there you have it, culinary enthusiasts. The Holstein Housewares non-stick omelet frittata maker has officially taken center stage in your kitchen, promising quick and easy breakfast delights for every craving. Whether you're whipping up fluffy omelets, creative frittatas, or other tasty treats, this stainless steel wonder is your secret weapon for hassle-free cooking. No more flipping mishaps or messy cleanup, just insert your ingredients, close the lid, and let the magic happen. The sleek design and space-saving footprint make this kitchen gadget a stylish addition to your culinary arsenal, adding a pop of color to your kitchen decor. Holstein Housewares is all about making your cooking and entertaining experience a breeze, and this non-stick omelet frittata maker is no exception. Remember, worry-free cooking is our promise with a 1-year limited warranty, ensuring you can dive into your culinary adventures with confidence. Check out the user manual for easy instructions and start enjoying delicious, customized portions in minutes. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of easy, delicious breakfasts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen innovations, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your mornings be filled with flavor and simplicity with the Holstein Housewares non-stick omelet frittata maker. Stay tuned for more exciting kitchen discoveries.